Hi, my name is Danny, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Tickeron's intraday pattern search engine. Now you're probably here because you want to be a better trader. It's hard to compete with hedge funds or professional traders, especially with the tools they have at their disposal. That's why Tickeron created the pattern search engine, a product that anybody can use. So you're probably wondering, how does this all work? Well, it all starts with the patterns. Our AI finds patterns across all major stocks. Then it analyzes all past circumstances involving the pattern and uses it to make predictions for what is going to happen in the future. Based on the pattern's history and Tickeron's proprietary algorithm, the AI assigns the confidence level. The higher the level of confidence, the more times this pattern has occurred in the past, and the more likely the AI is to be correct. The intraday pattern search engine shows day traders the feed of patterns in real time. It is completely customizable, so the trader can set the feed settings to match their personal trading preferences. This can be done by clicking on artificial and human intelligence and choosing whether you want to work with stocks and ETFs, Forex, or crypto. For this video, I will be demonstrating how to work with stocks and ETFs. Once you're on the main page, you can look around and get familiar with the system. The recommended patterns are automatically displayed for you. If you want to learn about a specific pattern, click on the pattern in the sidebar, where we have detailed explanations for every pattern, bullish or bearish. To personalize the feed to match your own trading preferences, press Customize. Here you can set the time frames and the level of confidence. You can also choose which stocks, ETFs, and patterns you are interested in. The rest is just fine-tuning the feed to match your needs. Fortunately, we have guides and explanations for any question you may possibly have. We also have information on how the AI works, how patterns work, and how to optimally use these tools to maximize your trading potential. Go check them out by looking through the newsfeed or searching for the particular topic that you're interested in.